How to fix Chinese characters on Windows lock screen. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Under the Copy your current settings to section, mark the Welcome screen and System Accounts checkbox. Click OK everywhere and restart your PC. If that didn't work, click on your info at the top. If that didn't work, removing and then reinstalling the English language package can address issues where the language files are corrupt or improperly configured. Click Add a language to reinstall English, or your preferred language. Select English from the list, then click Next and install. Restart your computer to complete the installation. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.